Hi, Callum here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the apple pie sour from the Cocktail Kitchen book. This twist on a classic whiskey sour tastes just like an apple pie. It's absolutely delicious. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. Let's do this. Sours fans and dessert cocktail lovers are going to seriously enjoy this twist, which combines the best of both worlds. Choose your favourite pouring whiskey for this one. Powers is a staple for us, but experiment with bourbon or rye for sweeter or spicier expressions. This cocktail demands a quality apple juice. Cloudy apple is best here for authentic, rich apple flavour and colour. We chose lime for our sour aspect as it will stand up well to the high impact flavours of our spiced winter syrup. This product is like Christmas condensed into a syrup, with cinnamon, nutmeg, star anise, cloves and vanilla. It's a serious explosion of flavour when added to a cocktail. Give it all a nice hard shake to blend all these wonderful flavours together. Fine strain into our chilled coupe glass. And then we're going to garnish it with an apple fan speared with a cinnamon stick. And there you have it, the apple pie sour. Enjoy.